PayPal is one of the most popular and recognizable online payment platforms. According to Statista, there are over 390 million PayPal accounts worldwide as of 2022. But PayPal isn't just a popular payment solution to split a bill with friends or shop online. In fact, there are numerous ways to make money with PayPal if you want to make extra cash online. Today, I'm going to show you earn easy $900 in PayPal money over and over. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Use cashback reward apps. One of the simplest ways to get free PayPal money is to use cashback rewards apps and websites. These platforms partner with brands and pay you to shop with cash back. Oftentimes, cash back you earn is redeemable for PayPal Cash and various gift cards. Several popular cashback platforms you can use include Dosh. Once you connect a credit or debit card to Dosh, the app tracks when you spend at partner brands and pays you cash back automatically. Dosh has hundreds of partners including Dunkin's, Domino's, Macy's, Instacart, and Walmart. You usually earn 0.5% to 2% cash back, but offers are subject to change and can reach 5% or higher. Cashback earnings deposit in your Dosh account, and you can redeem cash back through PayPal, direct deposit, or Venmo when you earn $25. Ibotta. This popular rebate app lets you earn cash back for buying groceries, clothing, beauty products, electronics, and everyday essentials from over 300 retailers. To use Ibotta, download the app and activate offers for products you want to buy. After shopping, snap a picture of your receipt with the Ibotta app to provide proof of purchase to earn cash back. With partners like Best Buy, Kroger, Target, and Walmart, incorporating Ibotta into your shopping routine isn't difficult. Ibotta lets you cash out through PayPal, direct deposit, and free cash cards once you earn $20. Receipt Hog. If you want to earn rewards with almost any type of receipt, Receipt Hog is for you. This rewards app lets you take pictures of your shopping receipts in exchange for coins, which are redeemable for PayPal money and Amazon gift cards. Some receipt types, like electronics or office supplies, grant you spins at hog slots instead of coins, which give you the chance to win bonus coins and cash prizes. Similarly, receipts like gas stations or restaurant receipts award you with sweepstake entries to win bonus coins. It takes 1,000 coins or $10 to cash out, and Receipt Hog is a slower earner than Ibotta. But Receipt Hog is one of the most reliable ways to earn rewards for your shopping because it accepts almost any type of receipt. Shop online and earn PayPal Cash. Many popular shopping browser extensions automatically apply coupon codes and let you earn free gift cards for shopping. For example, Honey and Capital One Shopping both help you save at thousands of retailers and redeem gift cards with your cashback earnings. But if you want to earn real money for shopping, gift cards aren't for you. Thankfully, several other shopping platforms let you cash out through PayPal after you earn cash back. MyPoints. MyPoints is a paid survey website that lets you earn points for sharing your opinion and trying new mobile apps. But MyPoints also has an online shopping platform that lets you earn cash back from retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Walmart. You can redeem cash back for a variety of gift cards at $5 or for PayPal Cash at $25. MyPoint also gives new members a free $10 Amazon gift card or $10 Visa gift card when they sign up and spend $20 or more through MyPoints at an eligible retailer. Rakuten. With Rakuten, you earn cash back for shopping at thousands of retailers including Kohl's, Macy's, Nike, Old Navy, Target, and Walmart. cashback you earn appears in your Rakuten account balance. You get paid quarterly through PayPal or check as long as you have at least $5 in your balance. Rakuten usually pays sign-up bonuses between $10 and $20 after you create an account and complete your first cashback offer. Top Cashback. Top Cashback is similar to Rakuten and lets you earn cash back at thousands of retailers like Amazon, CVS, Home Depot, Sephora, Staples, and Walmart. You can cash out at any time, and reward options include direct deposit, PayPal Cash, and free gift cards. Like Rakuten, Top Cashback also has a browser extension you can use to automatically earn cash back when you shop at a partner, so you never miss out on rewards. It's worth checking all three shopping platforms because cashback rates and retailers are subject to change. So, while Top Cashback might have the best target offer one week, Rakuten or MyPoints might pay more another week, making it worthwhile to shop around. Sell stuff online. If it's been a while since you did some spring cleaning, there's a chance you're sitting on a stash of potential PayPal cash. Selling stuff online is a side hustle that's existed since the internet began. But many online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and Craigslist aren't always PayPal friendly. For starters, Amazon doesn't pay sellers with PayPal. Similarly, Craigslist is mostly for in-person cash sales. Finally, while eBay doesn't accept PayPal as a payment method, it also accepts credit card and pays sellers differently depending on the customer's purchasing method. That said, you can still sell stuff for PayPal Cash on other online marketplaces. Some popular goods to sell and the corresponding marketplace to use include clothing, cell designer, streetwear, and vintage pieces on Depop and get paid through PayPal. Cell phones. Turn your smartphone into cash with CellSell. Home decor and furniture. Sell used and vintage furniture and home decor with Cherish. Laptops. Sell used laptops for PayPal Cash with Declutter. It's still worth exploring other marketplaces like Amazon and eBay because they let you access millions of worldwide buyers. Additionally, getting paid with direct deposit shouldn't be much different than getting PayPal Cash in terms of how you access your funds. Ultimately, selling stuff online is a quick way to make some extra cash on the side. Once you run out of inventory to sell, you can always try side hustles like thrift store flipping or retail arbitrage and buy merchandise to resell online. Make money testing websites. Becoming a website tester is another way to earn PayPal money in your spare time. And the best part is that you don't need prior quality assurance experience or the ability to program websites to start. Numerous companies pay people to test apps and websites on behalf of clients. As a tester, your job typically involves completing a set of tasks the client outlines, like creating a new online account or adding a product to your shopping cart. Testers voice their thoughts out loud as they complete tasks and give as much feedback as possible. The end goal is to help clients improve their app or website's usability to create a better user experience. Website testing gigs normally take between 10 to 20 minutes and pay $10 to $15. Occasionally, certain companies also offer longer testing sessions that usually pay $50 or more per hour, but these are rare. Some companies also require having an external computer microphone. But other than that, a strong internet connection and spare time for testing are all you need to become a website tester. Some leading companies that offer website testing gigs include User Testing. Pays $10 per test. Tests typically take 20 minutes, earn up to $120 for live hour-long testing sessions with clients. Requires an external microphone. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, Keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.